If you're attending Oracle AI World 2025, the Oracle Events app is your essential companion for all things Oracle AI World. With 5 main stage keynotes, over 1,000 sessions and labs, and a full schedule of activities, there's a lot to do. The Events app helps you stay organized and make the most of your time right from your mobile device. Let's walk through how to get started. Step 1, download the app. You can download the Events app by scanning the QR code on your screen or search for Oracle Events in the iOS App Store or Android Store on your smartphone. The app is available for both platforms. Step 2, set up your app. When you're installing the app for the first time, you'll need to agree to the terms and services and accept the notifications. This will alert you to important updates, schedule changes, and activities during the conference. Step 3, sign in. Next, select Oracle AI World 2025 as your event. Sign in using your Oracle single sign-on name and password. It's the same name and password you use to register for Oracle AI World. Step 4, explore your schedule. Once you've signed in, tap the menu icon, the 3 lines in the corner, and select My Schedule. Here, you'll see all sessions you've already favorited. If you have open time, you can browse and add new sessions directly from the app by clicking on the heart icon. Step 5, find your way. Need help finding your way to your next session? Use the wayfinding feature for step-by-step maps to any Oracle AI World location. You can also see where sponsored booths and special activities are located, so you don't miss anything in the Oracle AI World Hub. Step 6, share your feedback. After each session, you'll receive a short survey in the app. Please take a moment to complete it. Your feedback helps us improve Oracle AI World for next year. Step 7, connect and network. Did you know the Events app can help you find people too? You can see who is attending the same sessions or shares your interests and use that to spark conversation. You can chat, schedule meetings, or connect in person, all within the app. Step 8, stay informed. Check the event guide in the app menu for links to Oracle TV, a full list of sessions, live demos, and all sponsors at Oracle AI World. It's your central resource for everything happening during the event. The Oracle Events app is designed to make your Oracle AI World experience smooth and productive. Download it before you arrive, set up your schedule, and get ready to make the most of every moment. We can't wait to see you there.